Welcome back everyone of my point and click community. Today, technical stuff. It's Friday. No, it's not. It should have been Friday, but with the holiday, I was all totally confused and forgot to upload a video. Today, we want to do a clean install of a Windows 11 on a really old computer. I found this thing in the basement and it is so old, I don't even know. It says Pentium inside. Who knows what that is, right? It was built for Windows 7. I think it's 12, somewhere between 12 to 13 years old. We are now ready to install a fresh Windows 11 on this 12-year-old machine. And for that, I prepared already my flash drive. I will boot from the flash drive. If you didn't see last week's video where I did an upgrade from Windows 10 to 11, you want to take a look at it because I showed you how to make the flash drive. And now we will just insert the flash drive in a USB port here. And I hope I have the right flash drive. I can select the boot menu or I can change it in the BIOS. I'm gonna go to the boot menu. Okay, I tell it to boot from the USB drive. So we put the Windows activation key in it, click next. Click next. And I click on a custom install. I want to get rid of what is on here. I do not want to update. So I'm going to delete a couple partitions here. And I delete this one too. Now I have the drive server here with nothing on it, and I can install it on here. Click next, and the install starts. And like you notice, this is a 12-year-old machine. So let's do our basic configuration here. It will figure out there is no internet. Now I continue with a limited setup. Put a name in here. I don't want location. I don't want find my device. Nope. Nope. No thank you. And accept. Okay, now we're gonna shut this machine down real quick because I'm going to move it and connect it to my network. And then we take a look what we have on hardware. So here we are. I booted the system up. I did not know what kind of processor exactly was in it. I didn't take a look. We can take a look right now and see what's in there. I'm gonna go real quick in my settings here. Scroll down to about, and here you see it's a G620, Intel Pentium G620 at 2.6 gigahertz in it. This will never ever pass the requirements of Windows 11 by using that little piece of software of Rufus and creating our install flash drive. We went around the hardware check of Windows 11. Now when we take a look at the requirements here at Windows 11, it says 1 gigahertz, but it will never ever pass it. The model of the processor is not even listed in here. And naturally, it's a 12-year-old system. I have 8 gigabyte of RAM, and Windows 11 requires 4 gigabytes, so we are good there. Trusted platform module, we don't have that in here. Now the system is connected to my network. It has internet access, so we can take a look if it starts downloading updates and monitor this in the future. So I go to Windows Update and see if it found any updates. And it seems like there are already updates here. What can be downloaded and installed. So it will take a while. It downloads them, it installs them, and I think it will work perfectly. That's all I have for this week, so please give this video a like. It really helps me out. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel.